Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to be doing a fresh makeup look with some new products that I picked up. As you see here, I am going to go ahead and prime my face with my Danessa Myricks translucent balm powder. I absolutely love this stuff when it comes to priming. It keeps me dry and matte all day, so I will continue to use this underneath all of my makeup. I've also already done my eyebrows and my eye look for the day, so we are going to just kind of get started with some of these new products. The first thing you'll see me picking up is this R.E.M Beauty. I do have these in two colors. This first color is going to be 2G, which is a deep with golden undertone. This is about the same color as my skin, and I'm just using this to kind of place in some of the areas where I have a couple of little scars that I don't want to peek through on the new foundation. So I'm just placing that in some of those areas just to hide those scars. This is the Sweetner Concealer by R.E.M Beauty, and I picked this up at Ulta. It does go for $24. So the star of the show is this Chanel Fresh Water Tint. This stuff right here, y'all, was, oh, I fell in love with it. But anyway, this goes for $65. It was completely sold out on the Chanel website, so I was able to pick it up at Ulta website. Absolutely had no idea that Ulta sold Chanel products, but this particular foundation right here, it is a lightweight formula. It's composed of 75% water, and it does give 8 hours of hydration. So when you put this on your face, it literally feels like water going onto your face. It has a light to medium coverage, and it is like a gel texture, and it has pigmented micro droplets that are inside that creates that radiant, healthy looking glow. I have it in the color dark, and I think that initially when it went on, I thought that it was a little too dark, but it ended up blending out beautifully on the skin, as you'll see. Coming back around to the R.E.M Sweetener Concealer, this one is the color Tan 3W. I'll be using this under my eyes to give me that brightening effect under the eye. Now these are cream concealers, and this was my first time using a concealer of this nature, but I really enjoyed it. I did find out just kind of using it for the first time that they dry down pretty fast, so I would say to go ahead and apply this and blend it out immediately rather than waiting as I did, because it is a little bit harder to blend down once it starts that drying effect, but the concealer itself is really pretty. This is the Mercier Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. I have this in the color dark, and I've been really getting into cream bronzers, which I said I would never do, but this is my first cream bronzer that I've been really trying out, and this blends really well. I love the color. It looks very natural on, and it gives me that sculpting effect that it definitely claims to have. This is $28, and you can definitely go ahead and get this at Sephora. So this is why I say it dries down really fast. As you can see there, I'm struggling a little bit on that forehead area with just kind of blending out that concealer because I did let it sit a little too long. So again, make sure that if you do try out this concealer to blend it out right away. It's a great concealer, but it does dry down quickly. So just make sure that you go ahead and blend that right away before doing anything else. I been using this as my go-to setting powder for a while now. This is the Beauty Blender Soft Focus Gemstone Setting Powder. I have it in the color Topaz. Y'all, this was a Makeup Revolution matte bronzer in the color medium. I honestly don't even think that they make this bronzer anymore, or they reformulated it to have different packaging, but I got it at Ulta for about $7. It's a very good bronzer. As you can see, I hit the pan on it already and I broke the top, so love this bronzer. This is the Mineralize Skin Finish Face Powder by MAC in the color Dark Deep. I use this to finish off my makeup and kind of blend everything together. I don't normally use a finishing powder, but today I decided to do so just to see how it would go with this Chanel foundation, and it turned out very pretty. If you know, you know. This blush palette right here is so doggone old. I'm not throwing it away because I can't even remember where I purchased this palette from, but I'll try and locate that information and put it down below. But these were some pretty blushes that, you know, a lot of YouTubers and beauty gurus used back in the day. So I still have mine and I still use it quite often. So yeah, that's what I'm using right now, is this blush palette. What you see here is the Laura Mercier setting spray. This is her newest setting spray. It's supposed to give you a 16-hour wear, and I've been really using this as my main setting spray as well. Love this product. Got it from Sephora, and I definitely would say it's a great setting spray to pick up. You'll see me just kind of patting that setting spray into the skin with the same foundation brush, just to kind of, you know, make sure that settles in. Alright, so this is the Kylie Matte Lip Kit. I have it in the color Mary Jo K. It does retail for $32 and I got it from Ulta. Now with this particular kit, this was my first time using it, and I have to say I really enjoyed the formula. The pencil itself was very creamy. It was easy to glide, didn't bleed or anything like that. And the liquid lipstick itself, it also dried down to a very comfortable wear that I was able to wear for a while. So I'll probably pick up a couple of more of these and some of her lip glosses as toppers just to use, because as I mentioned, I really enjoyed the formula. Okay, so everyone, I have finished putting on all of my makeup, and this Chanel Fresh Water Tint makeup wears really good. It looks very pretty and natural on the skin. Initially when I put it on, I thought that the shade was a little too dark, but it settled in very nicely. Also with the new R.E.M concealer that I'm trying, I really like that too. I've never really tried like a cream concealer under my eye, but that is sitting really pretty also. And I just love the finish that this Chanel foundation is giving. It's very skin-like. It was very easy to blend, and it actually went on like water, hence the name of the foundation itself. But it's a very pretty foundation that's definitely worth the money and the cost that it actually is. I think this was about $68. Very worth it. I like it a lot. I am going to wear this for the remainder of the day and see exactly how well it actually wears for the day. But overall, this is a really good go-to when you're wanting that natural skin-like finish. What do you all think? I think it looks very great. So if you like this video, that makeup application, I will list all of the products below. The lip that I have on, as you saw, was the Kylie lip set that I have. I'll link everything below so that you can have the colors and the brand. And hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you all next time. Bye.